Hi everyone. So it was a long time already that I didn't make any videos. I was a bit busy and, to be honest, a bit lazy too. So that's why I didn't make any videos. And today I came on Chaweng Beach. So I think that some of you guys know that Thailand open again for the vaccinated people, so it's the good news. We expect to have more people, more tourists in the next few weeks, as vaccinated people in a list of 46 countries can now come to Thailand without any quarantines, at least only one night to make a PCR test on arrival. And then you are free to travel anywhere you want, if you are of course negative to this test. So it's still quiet right now because this condition will be applied after the 1st November, so in like 1 week. And we expect and we hope that it will attract more tourists in the next few weeks. So today it's like we are midday. The scene is actually closed because they close on Monday and Tuesday, but open every Wednesday until Sunday. So on Monday and Tuesday they are always closed. I wanted to have a walk to this part, the south part of Chaweng Beach, because there is a new hotel which will open its doors, the Mercure Hotel, which is a new one. So the thing is that they will open again without quarantine for vaccinated people. But what is a little bit scary is that hotels are still remaining closed. And but I think that they will open again their doors and find new staff as soon as they will get booking, you know. Just hope that they don't wait to have a lot of people already here to decide to open their doors, you know. I hope they will anticipate a bit this reopening of the country. Right here is Centara Resort, which is an amazing resort, huge one. And during this COVID-19 situation, they took over this time to renovate the rooms and the hotel. So I can't wait to have a look in this hotel as soon as they will open again. And I'm sure now it looks even more amazing. I loved this place before and I still love it, especially on Sunday, because they were making a really, really nice Sunday brunch with a kind of buffet, you know, with that you pay a fee and you can enjoy everything that you can eat. And it was really fair price compared to the quality of the foods and to the huge variety, you know, of foods that you can choose. Yeah, so the gardener is a gardens army who is taking care of the garden now, as it's a huge place. So the weather For the last few days is cloudy, so we have like thunderstorms who can last 1 hour or 2 hours, and then the sun come again. So as you can see over there, it's cloudy, so maybe it will rain like in a few hours, but nothing is sure. This afternoon I planned, because it was a lot of rain during last night, I planned to go to a waterfall this afternoon, the Namuang 1 waterfall. As they say in Thai, Nam Tok Namuang, because it's the perfect time, you know, after a rainy night to go to waterfall. You can be sure that the waterfall will be really nice to see with a lot of water. So it's the perfect time when it's a rainy night and some rain during the days. Even this one, I think it's the no, it's still the Centara, but they change a lot. They make a new beach bar and kitchen right here. Wow, yeah, they changed the outdoor area a lot. It looks really amazing. Yeah, I can't wait to see that for real. Because now it's closed. I think it will be amazing. Decoration in the restaurant looks really nice. Unfortunately, you can't see it, but I'm really sure that it will be amazing. One of the oldest resort in Chaweng, the Chaweng Resort, which has not been renovating and still the same. Yeah, it's a really old one. Sorry, I made my phone turning. So almost all the hotels in this part so we are closed. As in Chaweng now, you don't just have the hotel in the north part of the beach. And right here is the new place that I was talking about, and they didn't put any name, you know, at start when they start to make the work, but then now they put the name of it, and it's the Mercure Hotel, and it really looks amazing. I think they're still closed now. They will make a really nice bar, the pool, yeah, and it's a new one, so everything is new, and I think they will open soon. They are renovating the restaurant here. I'm not sure about the name of this place, but as you can see, there is a lot of work before they can open again, and that's what I'm a little bit scared about, you know, because they already said that Thailand will open their doors for vaccinated people, but many hotels right now has no staff and are not ready to open and to operate. Yeah, the train is coming. I don't want you to. I think I will stop my video at the Poppies, which is a famous place too in Chaweng, and also one of the oldest one in Chaweng. Really nice place too, but they are still closed. Someone inside, some stuff, I don't know. They don't look like they operate. Yeah, there's still a lot of work to do before the island to be like fully operate like it was before, you know. Anyway, fingers crossed. It's a good news that vaccinated people from 46 countries will soon be able to come again without quarantine. Okay guys, that's it for today. See you on the next video. Subscribe to the channel for the new viewers, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. See you.